Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix unable to verify app on iPhone. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to go back to our screen, alright? And then we need to go ahead to our settings, alright? And then go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down and make sure right here to go to the date and time and make sure that you turn on set automatically on, okay? Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to a VPN, right? Go back right here, go to the VPN, make sure that you turn off the VPN if you have opened it up, okay? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and then we're gonna go ahead to transfer or reset iPhone. So click on it and then basically click reset and make sure that you reset the network settings, right? And that should fix your problem. Go back right here to the main settings and then go and double check of your iOS update. Make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features, and that wraps it up. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.